Hi guys, today we replace the high beam light bulb in Hyundai Sonata. It's located in the middle, and to replace it you have to locate this cover right here, this black one, and I'll have to rotate it counterclockwise in order to remove the cover. This is how it looks. Rotate counterclockwise to open and clockwise to close. This is our bulb. The wire is quite short, but you have to unsnap this connector and the bulb will come out. This one is 9005. Install the new one the same way. Put it inside. You have to align it properly. It snaps and it's pretty much done. The cover goes back on. Align the cover and turn clockwise like this. The other side gets done exactly the same way. Again, this is our black cover right here. Have to remove it and the bulb will be underneath. Our both high beam bulbs are now working properly, and the replacement is complete. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.